there, carpet lovers. Welcome back to Floorland, your go-to channel for all things flooring. Today, we're diving into the intricate world of Persian carpets. From their rich history to their exquisite craftsmanship, we'll cover everything you need to know about these timeless treasures. So, what exactly makes Persian carpets so special? Well, let's start with their origins. Persian carpets have been woven for centuries in Iran, formerly known as Persia, hence the name. The art of carpet weaving has been passed down through generations, with each rug telling a unique story through its design and patterns. Now, let's talk about the types of Persian carpets you might come across. One of the most famous types is the Qashqai carpet, known for its bold colors and geometric designs. Then there's the elegant Tabriz carpet, characterized by its intricate floral motifs and fine craftsmanship. And let's not forget about the luxurious Isfahan carpets, prized for their intricate details and use of silk. Each type of Persian carpet has its own unique characteristics, but they all share one thing in common: impeccable quality and attention to detail. Whether you're looking for a statement piece for your living room or a cozy rug for your bedroom, there's a Persian carpet out there to suit every taste and style. Now, let's talk about what sets Persian carpets apart from other types of rugs. One of the most distinctive features is their intricate designs, which often incorporate symbolic motifs and patterns. From floral motifs symbolizing beauty and nature to geometric patterns representing unity and harmony, every element of a Persian carpet has a deeper meaning behind it. But it's not just their beauty that makes Persian carpets stand out. They're also incredibly durable and long-lasting, thanks to the high-quality materials and meticulous weaving techniques used in their production. A well-maintained Persian carpet can last for generations, making it a worthwhile investment for any home. Beyond their aesthetic appeal and durability, Persian carpets offer a range of practical benefits as well. For one, they're excellent insulators, helping to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Plus, their thick pile provides a comfortable surface to walk on, making them perfect for high-traffic areas like living rooms and hallways. Now, let's address a common concern: maintenance. While Persian carpets may require a bit more care than your average rug, the effort is well worth it. Regular vacuuming and occasional professional cleaning will help keep your carpet looking its best for years to come. So, whether you're drawn to their timeless beauty, their cultural significance, or their practical benefits, there's no denying the appeal of Persian carpets. From the vibrant bazaars of Iran to the floors of homes around the world, these exquisite rugs continue to captivate and inspire us with their enduring charm. Thanks for tuning into Floorland. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more flooring tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.